GEN, through its Tikari project, gave 161 billion pesos to fund the capacity building and procurement equipment for the unifier. This is an example of the expertise of the academy at the service of government. UP can only and truly realize its mandate as national university and prove its reputation at the top university of the country if we are willing to translate our intelligence, skills, and excellence into concrete action that will help the government and make a transformative impact in the lives of the Philippine people.
I think as pharmaceutical sciences students, these pieces of equipment can help us better identify drugs in samples. Knowing these compounds will help us better assess the danger that these drugs of abuse poses to our community.
Yung mga information na we'll be obtaining and acquiring from these equipment will be very beneficial, largely sa Philippine health sector kasi it will open doors for studies and syempre din intervention for these drugs of abuse. So once na na-establish natin kung ano yung mga drugs na nasa ating system, we are able to add these drugs sa watch list ng mga law enforcement. Once na nasa watch list na po sila ng ating law enforcement, magkakaroon na po ng awareness yung ating mga PNP, PDEA, Dangerous Drugs Board, kung ano po yung mga talamak ngayon na illicit substances.
It's helping the students gain these skills so that when they work either maybe in research or maybe in the industry or maybe even in hospitals where these services are needed, equipped sila doon sa mga skills and knowledge na yun.